Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to disable Microsoft Copilot in Word. That's right. Copilot is Microsoft's AI program, and it's put into everything on your Windows. They put it in everything. And they also put it in Microsoft Word, and I'm going to show you how to turn or disable that from Word so it's not in there anymore. Because I'm really getting tired of AI being everywhere, so I'm trying to teach you how to turn off a few of them wherever they're hiding. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Last week we went over how to share phone contact on Android. I'll have a link down below for that so you can check it out. Also, this was an article first before I turn into a video, so there'll be a link down below so you can check out the article if you like to read more than you like to watch a video. That's what we're going to do. But before we get going, hit the like on this video. It really helps out our channel. Also hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I come out with every Thursday. So keep checking back every Thursday and you'll learn something new every week. I don't miss it. For some reason, anything going on in my life, I still am able to get a video out every Thursday. So hopefully I can keep that running for a long, long time. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is be on your Windows. I'm on my Windows 11 laptop, and I'm using obviously Office 365 on Microsoft, but I'm using the desktop app one, so that's what I'm going to show you on. So let's show you how to do that this way. So when you're on your Windows, you can look to the bottom left. You're going to see the little start icon. You click on that, and then you're looking for Word. My Word's easy to find because I use it often, so it's right here at the top. And you want to open Word. And then once Word opens, 365 Word will open in just a second. Oh, there it is. No, it's right here. Okay, we're right here. So once it's open, I'm usually in a document at the time, so you might be in a document. So let's be in a document. I'll show you how to get to the Copilot disable button. So once you're in your document, let's say you're working on a document, it goes, I don't want Copilot helping me anymore, which you can see is grayed out on mine right now because I already shut it off. You're going to look to the top left for File. So click on File. It's going to pull up this menu, and you're going to look down to the very bottom on the left menu until you get to Options. Click on Options. Once Options opens up, you're going to get the Word options and give you a whole bunch of options. Haha. You get a whole bunch of menu options on the side, the left side here. So you're going to look for Copilot, and that is right here. Easy to find. We're just going to click on that one. And then you're going to notice it's disabled. So usually it will be, this is usually the default for your Word program. So you don't want it to be there. So this options for working with Copilot in Word. Well, we don't want to work with Copilot. We're going to uncheck that box. And once you do that, you have to hit OK down here to finish up. So you're going to click that. Now it's disabled from your Office 365 Word. So now it's disabled. Copilot won't be in there bugging you and all that. So there's a lot of other places on Windows you might want to go to and find, but maybe I'll do some videos on those and how to turn off more of this AI that we have been attacked with. So that's how you do it. That's how to disable Microsoft Copilot in Word. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.